Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome for the first time. I am so glad to have you here on my channel. Today I have a more detailed video on how I fold my laundry because I've had a few people reach out to me and ask me how I fold laundry and how I actually organize and store and pick out the kids' clothes. They just asked for a more detailed version of the past videos, like where I swapped the summer clothes for fall, winter clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started and let's get to it. So let's see, to start off, I grab one of their outfits. So there's a shirt for that outfit. And here's the pants. So I've got, hopefully, I've got the cord for the microphone running across the bed, so hopefully it's not making a lot of noise. But I'll take their shirts and then I will lie them down and just kind of get them all nice and flat. Let me make sure you guys can see. Okay, perfect. And I'll take the pair of pants and just fold them in half across the waistband and lie them in the middle of the shirts. And then I take the bottom of one leg of pants and I fold it up to where it's inside of the shirt, and I'll fold the sides of the shirt to where they're even with the pants, kind of just making it smaller and everything. And then I will take the pants and I'll roll everything up into a pretty tight ball. So it's all rolled up and together. So I'm going to take the leg and put it around the pants and the shirt. So that way it stays in a nice little ball, and when he goes to get dressed, he can just take the whole thing out and not have to worry about finding pants and a shirt. Let's see, I thought I just had the top for this. Pajamas are the same way. I must not have had the top. Okay, I'll have to show pajamas later. But towels, I fold corner to corner. And then I'll fold the open seams in about halfway. And then I'll fold the other seams in halfway as well. And then I will fold it in thirds, so it's got a nice small towel. Pajama pants that don't have matches, which would be for like mine and Nate's, I will fold the top in thirds and then just kind of let everything fall into place. And then I'll fold the pants up to about, I guess it's about in third. I hope I'm explaining this good enough for you guys to understand. If not, just come over and I'll show you. But then I just keep folding it until it's a nice little, here. I usually hang my shirts, but I will show you what I do, because this is how I also fold Nate's shirts for his drawer. But I will lay them down like I do the kids' clothes for their pajamas and just all their clothes, because like pajamas are matched up, play clothes are matched up, and that's really all they have in their drawer aside from socks is pajamas and play clothes. But I'll take the top seam of the arm and the bottom seam of the shirt and I'll fold them in half. The sleeve usually folds in on itself, which makes it easy. And then I'll do the same for the other side. And then I'll take the bottom of the shirt and fold it to about where the underarm of the shirt lies. And then I'll fold that in half and fold it in half again. And it usually perfectly lines up with the top. And I store Nate's in his drawer like that. I will show you how I store his in his drawer, because I've been doing his like that for quite a while, and it just saves a lot of space for his clothes, and he can actually see what shirt he's grabbing before he grabs it out. So put the shirt out, fold the pants down. Actually, these pants are not, the pant legs are not wide enough to hold his whole outfit. So what I'll do is I'll put the waistband down instead of having the waistband up at the top. And I'll do everything else the same. But instead of folding the legs over, I'll fold, if I can get it, the waistband over. There we go. And it doesn't look as nice, but it still works. And if I don't do it that way, what I'll do is I'll just kind of fold it in half and then in half again, and leave it like that. But as you can see, it takes up a whole lot of space. So there's not really, it takes up a lot of space in his drawer. This is really the only outfit I do like this though, because it is the, it's really the only one that I cannot roll in on itself. Let's see, I don't think oh, okay. Here's a matching one for Zoe. So none of Zoe's pajamas can really be rolled up inside of their pant legs because it's like the legging type. So if the pant legs are small like that, I will fold the pants in half. Like I did with the other one, I'll put the leg seam, the leg hole up at the neck hole, fold it in half, and then I'll kind of fold it just small segments, and then I'll fold the waistband in half. So this one works a lot better than Caleb's outfit did. And the waistband holds it in place. So that's how her clothes are stored, because it works better like that. So really, if the pants are not able to be rolled up around the rest of the clothes, they're stored like this. So I hope that is easy for you guys to understand, and that, yeah, hopefully you guys can comprehend my instructions and figure it out. Let me know if you have any more questions, and hopefully I'll be able to answer them. When I'm buying their clothes, I don't buy anything unless it's got an outfit, or unless I know they need it. Like I know Caleb is going to be needing some new pants here soon, so I will buy pants and only pants, so that way I can just replace the ones with holes in them. But like if they need like all new clothes, I don't buy anything unless it comes in a set. Not in a set, but unless I can find pants and shirt that match. And obviously I don't have all my dirty laundry washed because I'm missing half the outfits. For like the outfits, like here I have some shirts of Zoe's that do not have the pants to go with them. What I'll do is I'll put them in a basket and set them to the side until I finish the next load of laundry, and then I will match them up and fold them. So if the whole outfit is not clean and ready to go into the drawer, I do not fold it. So this is Nate's drawer. As you can see, it's kind of gotten unorganized, but usually I'll have all his white t-shirts over here, all his solid t-shirts right here on the middle, and then all his t-shirts with like sayings or prints or pictures, they'll be on this side. But I don't think all his shirts would fit in this drawer if I didn't have them folded this way. And then the kids' clothes, I always keep pajamas on one side and then play clothes on the other. So that way it's just easy for them to pick out. We actually pick out Zoe's clothes because she likes to change her clothes 100 times a day. So we don't let her really go in her drawer anymore. And Caleb's pajamas are on one side, play clothes are on one side, and he also has 2 pairs of regular pants in the back of a corner. But I hope that answered y'all's questions, and I hope you understood my instructions and that you're able to give it a try. And if you do give it a try, let me know how it worked and if you like it. I'll see you in the next one.